always yes you'd like to meet, to go over everything. These things that I'm supposed to hear, but I'm done but hearing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm California dreaming about who used to be, then the younger and free. I forgot how it felt before the wall fell out of me. There's such difference between